Welcome back to Dish and Nutrition. Today we are making delicious spinach banana muffins. These muffins are naturally sweet from the banana and loaded with valuable vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, C, K, iron, folate, and potassium from the spinach. First, add the oats to the blender and blend into oat flour. Pour into a large bowl and add baking powder, baking soda, salt, and ground cinnamon to the oat flour. Using the same blender we used before, go ahead and add spinach, your choice of milk, vanilla extract, olive oil, 1 egg, and 2 bananas. And then blend. Once blended, you can go ahead and add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix thoroughly. Pour a mixture into a greased muffin pan, pouring each cup about halfway. Bake at 375 degrees for 15 minutes. Once complete, go ahead and let cool for about 10 minutes before enjoying. I'm always open to feedback, so if there's a type of content you guys like to see more of on my channel, make sure to leave a comment and let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time.